Hi, it's Karen. It's day 40 of the coronavirus lockdown. Yes, that's a dog's nose. Today we're going to talk about how to do virtual backgrounds in Zoom. Um, the first thing you want to do is, can you hear the dog walking on the wood? Sorry about that. The first thing you want to do is go to zoom.us, go to your settings, then go to advanced, meeting advanced, and then go down to virtual backgrounds and turn that on. Let me see if I can do that real quick for you here. Oh, now I can see. Share screen. Okay, so you're going to want to go to zoom.us, and then from there, my account, or log in, and go to settings. And then under settings, right here, under meeting, it'll say schedule meeting, in meeting basic, in meeting advanced. That's the one you're going to want. And under in meeting advanced, scroll on down to virtual background and make sure that's turned on. Okay. And then you're going to go back to your desktop application, and at the bottom, right over here, it will have a little picture of a video camera, and next to it will be an up arrow, and you'll click on that up arrow and then choose virtual background, and then you can pick a virtual background. You might have to download the assets. It's a small download. Just go ahead and do that, and then you can choose a virtual background, like here it is, the Golden Gate Bridge. Now little tiny thing in the grass, or my favorite, which is the space background. Did I go crazy and become a mad scientist and snap my gloves while petting my cat? Well, yes, I did. Another thing you can do is you can use a virtual background for a meeting. This is a meeting that I was at in Chicago, and here I am in Chicago, pretending to be in Chicago. Or you can do branding. I have this one that I made for myself, KarenDesign.net. And I think I'm going to make another video right after this on how to make your own virtual background. Well, that's all for now. Enjoy using virtual backgrounds in your Zoom meetings. If you like this tutorial and want to see more from me, please hit the subscribe button. We put out new videos every Saturday. Thank you for watching. Bye. Stay safe. Wash your hands.